Real pizza. Real pizza. Yes. Wow. I was kind of doubting this would get delivered. Can't give this to my cats because they'll be allergic. I know, Bear. I know how you feel about that. You want some pizza. Bear doesn't really mind, does he? He wants me to empty the bag so he can get into the bag. Got pepperoni, a kind of egg, anchovy, olives, cheese. Wow, very tasty. A whole lot better than a Pizza Hut. It's no wonder Pizza the Hut ate himself. And mushrooms on it. Could have asked for the mushrooms to be fried to golden crisp and have them. I suppose I could do that. Barolo Pizza, Italian restaurant. I was seriously doubting they would do delivery. Wow. Special appearance by Steven Seagull. Put an egg yolk right in the middle, just ate it. Steven Seagull. Steven Seagull. Steven Seagull appearance. Steven Seagull with Coca-Cola. Steven Seagull. Steven Seagull. Steven Seagull. Steven Seagull. Steven Seagull. I don't know, I think I'll save that for later. Heat, put them in the air fry. Heat those up later. Maybe tomorrow. I'm stuffed. Pizza. Wow. Steven Seagull. Steven Seagull approved. Steven Seagull. Nice pizza. Nice pizza that was, tasty. Steven Seagull with Bear.